reorder tabs from your tab element. So inside of your Weebly editor, you can see as well that each content area you created on your tabs will have a tag to it. This tab will be corresponding to the title and will contain the title of the actual tab. You can see here tab title 1, tab title 2, and tab title 3, as we have 3 titles. So when we access our dashboard, you will be able to see those exact same titles right here and at the top. So if you were to add a new title, for example, you can see that it's being added at the bottom. If you want to remove that, if you want to add it to be included to be the first title, you just simply grab it and you move it around, or the third position, maybe second position, just like that. You can add a new tab title simply by clicking on the settings and then adding here the title. So you would say like my title or whatever you want to name it. Do keep in mind that when you reorder tabs and you have some tab functionality set, so let's say for example that you were setting your first title to be the active one shown, and then you would be moving them around. Now the first tab title that will be shown is actually this one. So you can see right here that it removed again. Or if you would place this, for example, now you can see that it's the second. So if you do want to keep the same tab title 1 shown on page load, you simply would select it like that. To remove an element from your tab titles, it's really easy as well. You simply click on the right, the delete icon, and then you confirm here. Before doing so, make sure that any content that was inside of the element, that it has been restored or can be deleted, because this is a permanent action. So if you would remove it, you would see that you will remain with those elements.